Today, we're tackling a common yet annoying problem, a running toilet. First, turn off the water supply by locating the valve behind the toilet. Next, remove the tank lid and check the flapper. If it looks worn, it might be time to replace it. Disconnect the old flapper and install the new one, making sure it's seated properly. Finally, turn the water supply back on and flush to test. And just like that, you've fixed your toilet. Empowering yourself through DIY repairs makes homeownership less daunting and boosts your confidence.